Good afternoon, Merry Christmas, whatever time it is, wherever you are. And welcome back to Spider-Man, Shattered Dimensions. Santa got me a webcam for Christmas. Just kidding, it was my brother. Santa's not real. It looks like we're taking on the Hammerhead.
Night on the waterfront. On the docks, rats scurry about their grim business.
Scurry. Ooh,
Tip from Felicia
fancy
Hardy
word,
brought me here.
Spider-Man.
Looks like she was onto something.
Whoa, it's slipping!
Hey, look at this.
It's just a hunk of rock. What's all the extra protection for?
The goblin paying you to ask
It's
questions.
a nice hunk of rock. It's part of the 10 Commandments.
No, Hammerhead.
Then shut up.
Hey,
Goblin
gabagool,
says the
Hammerhead,
spider's
hey,
and he wants
butter the
all measures
bean.
taken to stop him getting it.
Hey!
Flattered.
Now load it in before I lose my cool.
Bro, you
You're
ain't
gonna
cool.
lose your cool, all right.
Oh, look at me, Spider-Man comment.
It's
Old
him,
school,
it's
what's
Spider-Man.
up?
Then stop gawking and start throwing lead.
Wah!
I think we lost him.
Keep your eyes peeled.
Wasn't there like a scene in
Something
Far
true
or
person
come
asks
Far
questions.
From Home, Coming
Never.
Home, whatever.
We're not taking any
Home
chances.
movie of Spider-Man.
Read me?
Loud and clear, boss.
Wasn't there a part in
Welcome, boss. We got everything set up.
shit? I don't even
Save
remember how to play. Fuck,
time
it's been a minute. All right,
I
whatever.
got a real important delivery
bing.
for Mr.
Hey.
Osborn.
Bada bing.
That's right, Hammerhead. And I'm gonna follow you right to
Wasn't there a part
Too
in
many Tommy guns
Homecoming
for my
where
taste.
like he got?
Hug the shadows.
I mean, I know the
Unless I
point
wanna
was
get
to
filled
mention
full
now
of
that it's
holes.
like been 10 minutes since the scene,
Montana,
but
you and me.
the part where
We
he
got
was all
business to
like
discuss.
hanging off the back of the car.
Right, boss.
Come on,
You
bro.
and you. Watch my back.
Bada bing. In this universe, Peter Parker is Italian. Hey, gabba goo.
Practice.
Just this guy. Hey. Oh. Hey.
I'll smack you down.
What'd you say about Smack? Yo, why are you guys walking so slow? Like, come on now.
Let's go. Get this open.
Hey, come on now. Open the door. Hey, I gotta make a
What's it
spaghetti.
all about?
Why are you doing this?
Let's just say I don't want anyone sticking their web nose in my business. The Spider-Man tries to pull a rescue, we grease the
Well, you already know I'm here,
Savvy?
so you already know I'm gonna try to pull one.
Yeah, boss.
Good. Let's go.
You shouldn't have brought innocent people into this. That just makes me mad.
That just makes me angry.
What is this thing
You're
on?
so tough, Spider-Man. So much for Spider-Man fist fight these guys. Because this is really fun and invigorating gameplay, especially me.
Close. Sticks to you.
Oh!
Like,
Punched the shit out of his head though, I'll tell you that.
they might even know.
That dude's gonna wake up with a concussion.
I don't know.
Maybe like 3 concussions.
Whispering?
Adios, guy. Nope, nope, open door for me. Ba-ba-ba. Hey, bada bing.
He's not here.
Good night.
Don't let the bed bugs bite.
Ooh, I see why you said that, Spider-Man. Because you're a
Get
punk.
open, you lousy.
Did he say get that gay open?
What are you waiting? Christmas?
Hey, bada boom.
You see this guy? That's all the right I need, Barry. Anyone else try? You again?
Ah, come on, dude. Like, ah.
Save me! Someone save me!
Bro, I would, but if I go into the light, they'll shoot. Because somehow, that's how stealth
Let's
works.
go over there and keep an eye out.
You'll pay for this, you will! How dare you keep me here?
Where'd you get that?
Blood lands in Grove Mill. Osborn hears
Is that the
about it
last
from
guy?
some of our
Okay, cool.
boys.
Come here.
Perfection.
Adios, bye.
You don't sound so happy.
Bye.
No?
Guy.
Listen to my voice. I'm thrilled. The boss tells me to do something, I do. I ask him my opinion, he tells me. He wants me to be his little
Is his
errand
boss? Yeah, his
boy.
boss is the
I'll
goblin in this,
deliver.
isn't it?
He's got Osborn pulling strings. I've got a floating head lady. I'm starting to wonder which one of us is more of a puppet.
Floating head lady, her head, she has a whole body, Spider-Man. Adios. See ya. Ba-ba. See ya. Come on, open the door for me. Spider-Man!
I resent that.
Nighty night, guy. Come on, look down, Spider-Man. Jeez. Is that Hammerhead's twin? What the heck? Yo, these guys walk the slowest. Oh my goodness gracious. Walk slower than my grandma. And my grandma's dead. I was with you being Spider-Man until... What the...
Yeah?
What was even that? He did like a super No, you don't. You don't gotta find that Spider-Man. Can I hang from the ceiling? No. That sucks. Hey, bada the boo.
And some for you. That's enough out of you.
Yeah, that's enough out of you, man. Hey,
Spider!
how did you? Hey, don't just let me get your buddy real quick. Oh. Ooh. Ah. Come on. Yeah. Night, night, fellas.
You have the right to remain silent.
You have the right to. You're not a cop, Spider-Man. Don't be like one of them. You're not. That was my terrible Joker impression for the day.
It's him.
What? This game really, let's get to me. With the stupid ass light. I love I have a camera now because now I can just deadpan at it and just be like, really? Like now I can stop doing it and like theoretically and do it like literally. I'll be in an argument with my girlfriend. I'll be like look off to the side. It's just my imagination.
You think you can take me?
Yeah.
Come on and have a go if you think you're hard enough.
Well, looking at your
Hey,
face doesn't make me
Spider.
hard enough.
Wanna go a few rounds?
Trust me, it'll only take one.
You got a big ass
Find
forehead.
cover.
Okay, what am I supposed to sneak around to this dude? I remember this mission when I played as a kid. See, look, what the, come on.
I'm gonna fill you full of holes.
You gotta film me, bro. That's, pause, bro.
I'm gonna fill you full of holes.
You're gonna fill my holes?
You think you're smart, huh?
Avoid the spotlight, Spider.
I wasn't even in the spotlight. I was behind him. Ah, this game. Perhaps he'll trick you. What?
Try to sneak up behind
I got him. Ah, big old forehead guy.
Enough! Enough of this!
Enough of this. What? What was that word? Hammerhead? He said
You're
enough of
going
this
in
shit.
the
Yeah! Ah, this is redonkulous. Ah, this is redonkulous. Tiptoe through the window.
I'm gonna carve you up, Spider.
Bro, you got the biggest gun in the world and you still can't take me down. You trying to compensate for
Enough of
something?
this! I'm gonna put you in a wooden kimono.
A wooden Komodo? How does that
Think
even
you're
work?
smart, huh?
Hammerhead, come on, man. You're making some dumbass comments. Yep,
No
I got
more.
you.
Please, please.
Don't hurt me,
Again.
Spider-Man. Let me
Had
headbutt
enough,
you
huh?
real quick.
Now hand over that rock.
Yeah! Ooh.
Sucker.
Oh, cheap shot.
Bro, you gotta put some makeup on that forehead. For real.
You see that sourpuss Hammerhead reported?
You haven't seen Batman?
More Triggerman. Favorite.
What you doing at?
I found him!
Bro, how?
Son of
Well, like, how? Like,
He took a powder.
yeah, I did take a powder. I gotta save more people. Press B a couple more times. Whoa, intuitive gameplay.
5 of my best triggermen.
5 of my best triggermen. 5 holy sandwiches. Man, Spider-Man, man. Give me a meatball sub, man. Man.
Even for a second, and you'll wake up in hell.
You're a pip, Hammerhead.
You're a pip, punk. A pip?
A floating
Is that
head lady
dumbass?
sure walked me into it this time. Gotta grab the shadows. and
Again,
make my
Spider-Man,
play.
she has a full
Take
body.
those palookas down.
We put through the fucking storage container. Oh. Drop. No problem, guy. I didn't even realize I had this on the spider sense on the entire time. That's fine. Bro, are you... Ah, shit! No! Okay, we'll just start back over here. We'll go somewhere else for a minute. Okay, I like this guy. Good night. I want Spider-Man to warp somebody up and just...
No! Gotcha.
see how far you can just chop somebody, you know? I don't even know how that worked, but it did. Gotta get this guy. I'll get him from up here. I got you. Ah! Right. Let's go. Let's go, guy.
That was amazing.
Nah, man. Don't do that.
You want this, tough guy? Come and take it. Just you,
I can't take
And
it if you
me.
ingest it.
mano a mano.
That suits me fine.
Finish him, boys.
You miserable lying snake!
What do you think he was gonna do? Tell you to fuck? Ah, Spider-Man, you're so gullible. Ah, see. All right, now I can fight. Finally, jeez. Okay, and I missed everybody.
Oh boy!
I gotta remember how to play.
Silent.
Oh, now I got a train after me.
That's all she wrote.
Ah, I tried to throw him in front of the train. What's my super again? This thing. Oh shit. I got a whole Y. I got a whole Y, right? I don't remember. I don't remember.
Come
Whatever,
on,
I'll
what do you
keep
got?
going.
That's all she
Idiots, I want this done. Bring in the big guns.
More guns? Who means this one? Sharp outfit. What are you supposed to be? Strong silent type. Gotcha.
The strong silencer.
Take that.
Ooh.
I'll dish it out all night.
And he's done.
The bigger they are,
Ooh, yeah,
you say
give me all
that was your best
fruity
guy.
cereal.
What else you got? Nuts to this. Let's beat it.
Right behind you.
Yeah, run away.
You idiots! You're all worthless!
Man!
Hammerhead. Time for that mano a mano we talked about earlier.
He didn't get his spaghettis, so he's very angry.
Let's show these ponies. Only one more left to
He
play.
done diddly did it.
Power of the fragment.
Power of the sun in the palm of my hand.
I should have used this rock sooner. First, I'll get rid of you. Then, I'll get rid of Osborn. I'll own this town. Ready for a real fight, tough guy?
I guess so.
Mister, I was made for it.
So, how you
Says
doing?
you.
Man!
I feel
Take that.
good.
Oh, shit.
Dry out.
Oh, shit. What am I supposed to do? I have to blow these things up? Oh, yeah, I guess so. Where's he at? Oh, he's over there. Oh, when it comes down to it, the final boss battle is pushing B again too. Fun stuff.
You're about as fun as a plain donut.
You're as fun as a plain donut. Hey, Spider-Man, all the plain donut eaters are going to be very similar. You said they can't
Hey, Big Shot, shut up! Here's some for you.
You're so for you. Ah! She's gonna ram me! Ah! What'd I do? Ah! He's going sicko mode! I don't know what to do with this guy! Ah! V? I guess I gotta run him into
You're
the wall.
all wet.
Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, let's go! What the fuck? Fucked up. Ugh. Ooh, he's got a cool looking face. Wah. Ooh.
You're all.
Why is it all blurry like that?
You're a real.
You're a
Thank you,
real
Spider-Man. The
prick.
floating head lady appreciates your assistance.
See, she's offended too.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Bam, 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 gang, gang. Let's go. Killed it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm ending that one there. If you liked the video, like it. If you don't like it, don't like it. If you really liked it, please subscribe. And try to spread some brotherly love today. Thanks for watching.